Yo, what's up, billionaires, dreadheads? This your boy, Nine Zeros. So today I wanted to show y'all that it's been 10 years since I had my locks. And also I wanted to show you guys how I do my lock bun as well. So it's going to be a two-in-one video for today. Let me kind of show how long it is now. So in my hair dye update, I already showed you guys that I dyed my hair going for a hornet look. And let me just show you some of the back really quickly. All right. Okay, so yes, like I said, locks are 10 years now, and I had some breakage in the front around my edges, but that's because I didn't really uh, balance out my nutrition as well as I should have. But but it's starting to kind of grow back in, so we'll see how that goes. All right. So now let's get on to the how I put my hair in a bun. So ponytail holder is optional, but not mandatory. But if you use it, it's gonna make things a lot easier. So I like to start with it in a ponytail. Okay. Once it's in a ponytail, make sure you can see. Once it's in a ponytail, I take half of it. Half of it. You can take half, a little more. It doesn't have to be exactly. And then from there, I take that half, and then I'm gonna wrap it around. So take that half, and then wrap one side around the other. Okay. Usually I'm looking like this in the mirror when I'm doing it. Just to make sure the front end looks okay. Probably not going to get it perfect today because I want to get through the video in real time at least. Okay. Then the leftover. So we got the bun. If some are hanging out, just push them in, secure them. Also, I forgot to mention that if you want to secure the locks a little bit better, you could kind of ravel them a little bit. Don't do it too hard because then it'll be too tight. It'll be stressful on your scalp. It's good. Wrap them a little bit to help make it secure, and then you're gonna wrap this end around the other. So tie it around, and then you're gonna tuck the leftover part under your locks. Like this. Okay. It's not gonna be perfectly the same every single time because this is just a quick updo if you just want to kind of get them off of your neck, or if you need like put hair nets over your head for work or etc. So this is how it looks from the side. Now the other side, over my head a little bit so you can see. Then from the back, tilting down, tilting back. Okay, I think you guys can see that, right? Okay, good. Yeah, so I usually do the bun. I usually do the bun when at work, when I'm teaching taekwondo, or if I'm just want to get them off my neck, really. Okay, it works great if you want to tie them up and then you want to, take a shower, wash up, just kind of get them off your neck um, easily. Especially with the length of my locks being down past my butt, to be able to like get them off like this. It's a pretty good sized bun, but to be able to get them off of you is like really good. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show for today. Like I mentioned, it's been 10 years. All right, guys, nothing else to say, so see you in the next one. Peace.